Hello everybody, hope you all doing fine. I am back with yet another episode of Login Helps, and in today's video I'm gonna guide you through how to download and install Google Meet. So Google is making enterprise grade video conferencing available to everyone. Business, schools and other organizations can take advantage of advanced features including meetings with up to 250 internal and external participants and live streaming to up to 100,000 viewers within a domain. So isn't that amazing? This app is really amazing for video conferencing. So guys, if you want to enter in the world of Google Meet and enjoy conferencing with whoever you want, then you have to install it first. So to learn how to install it, keep watching the video till the end and do not forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another update from us. Now, in order to download and install Google Meet, first of all, tap on Play Store. You just have to tap in on Play Store. This interface will appear on your screen. Now, go to the search box and search for Google Meet. Now, tap on Google Meet. You will land onto a page where it will ask you to install Google Meet now. So, you can tap on the green button of install so that you can begin installing it. So we are almost done, guys. We just have to wait for some time to get it installed. So guys, that was really quick. Now you can tap on the open button on the bottom of the page to enjoy all of the features of Google Meet and to use it. So this is how we can easily install and download Google Meet. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If you did, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Comment down below in the comment section if you have a comment or a feedback for us. I'll soon be back with more tutorial like this. Goodbye till then.